The product that we developed is a tool that manages documents, and those documents can vary from RFIs, ASIs, submittals, all sorts of different construction documents.
E-communication gets its name from it being a communication tool. It's exactly what it is. It's no longer about just where the document is or what's going to be printed. It's actually communication that needs to be tracked.
We're managing the flow of file from one entity to another entity, from the architect to the construction manager, and we're managing that process and we're tracking that workflow, and we're documenting that workflow, and so therefore we're tracking that communication exchange as that file moves from one place to another.
It is a web-based application, and a lot of softwares that are out there are local client applications, and so the web-based application allows for everybody on the project team to have input and to put their documents in and just to be an easy place to go.
One of the big differences though for our software is that we are designing the software around what the customer needs.
The process that we used to develop e-communication was actually to work with our customers to hear what their needs are.
We wanted to understand exactly what it is that their pains were. And so when we developed the software, we developed it so that we would take away as many of those pains as possible, make it very simple, make it easy to use, and make it very efficient.
The future development of the software is really determined on what the needs are of our customers.
Before we used this process, we would have to mail everything. Everything was in hard copies, which means paper. And you would have to, the contractor would have to get it from the suppliers. They would have to mail it to me, then I'd have to review it according to the specs. And then I'd have to take and mail it to the architect, and then the architect has to review it and mail it back to me. And then I'd have to mail it back to the contractor and keep copies for use on the project. It's all in that one program, all the submittal logs on there, everybody can see it, everybody knows what everybody's doing. This has just sped it up so much.
The more electronic things get for our customers, the more that they're forced to change their work habits. And so we're providing solutions that change with them.
The product of e-communication is completely 100% our customers' ideas and thoughts. And it always will be. Our customers their needs are going to change. And e-communication will always focus on what our customers' needs are, and we'll always examine those and put them at our highest priority.